kilo spirit. Still I take a tree and I know me a kill your digit. Yeah. Ball of fire I lick your wicked. When you reach, tell them I'm give your ticket.
What's up YouTube, it's your boy Tyrekevlogs aka The Reaction Boss, and I'm back in with another video for you guys. Right now I have Sparta, song called Easy No. Easy No bro, God. Official visualizer. Official music video, you know. I mean, music video. Official visualizer. You understand me? I sang just post like 2 minutes ago. You know, so The Reaction Boss is in full effect. Today is Friday. Every artist and name artist a post song today. So no for do. Comment quick. Yeah, quick. Wagwan. But now some more, you messing man. Just comment quick. See here, comment anything on post, because we have post be a video today with be a video back at that. You know what I mean? Like up the video, we are doing to 50,000 subscribers. But before this video begins, very important, please follow me on Instagram at Tyrekevlogs. We're trying to hit 10k followers over there. You understand me? I say subscribe to the channel for the new comment, see your comment. Make us see what I go on. Tommy Lee. Easy, you know. Right, Joe. Easy, you know. I visualize that. Before you start chop up the place, you know, lag. Remember pause and talk a little dog. That video here give me a little kung fu vibes. You know, you watch them video, you know, when you watch a karate video, dog. And then before them start fight, you hear the sound effect them. Before they start fight and kickbacks and them, well, karate, kung fu. Run through no.
Ask them, how who make them know the craft them? We make them know the rifle they and especially on the mountain where we used to blast them.
Blast them. The rifle is special in the Mark 10 there where the man used to blast them. But I'm not that me a pray, you know. I'm not that me a pray now, you know. Me a pray than sitting here going. Oh, Tommy looks so different. A long time I see a visualizer from Tommy. Tommy you look beat up now. Everything change up now. We can't do them something over here, so I'm here reaction boss, so don't wait for one. Reaction boss. Reaction!
Out like spliff when in a blaze. Go fi boy anywhere them the inner them yard space.
Yes!
She said them nah be a full of them a pussy cat no band with no dog.
Oh, no, blood clap. What go on a while ago, dog? What do a while ago, dog? The dog said, oh, let's cliff for it now, blaze the boom, nah, maybe something song, dog. Maybe something song. Yo, go on.
Out like spliff when in a blaze. Go fi boy anywhere them the inner them yard space.
Yes!
She said them nah be a full of them a pussy cat no band with no dog.
That me a talk about. That me a talk about. People look when the man jump in on the track, dog, and me go make a mistake a while ago, dog. And that me a talk about. And that's what I'm the baddest thing right now. Kids, they don't know. Yo, go on.
That them nah face band with some dark rage. Them a go dead even money them can't seal. Hold up your head boy, them here some dark here. People tell me say them skin thinner than dog here.
It's them skin thinner blood clot. The boy them now beard. People right now, if I sang about don't want to see BFM emoji in the comment section right now. We know chap guard in people. BFM emoji right now. The like button you have to tear up. You can't watch the video and not like the video yet. Go on, Tommy Lee. Go on.
A gunshot a kill your spirit. Still I take a tree and I know me a kill your digit.
Yeah.
Ball of fire I lick your wicked. When you reach, tell them I'm give your ticket.
The Spartan girls I'm represent. You know me go the Spartan girls already now. We like them, but we like all girl. We like all girl. Bad girl, big bumper, pretty cute face, I feel fuck that. Ride it. Hey, but them girl are suck off gun. And then Tommy give him change of voice as usual. You know, say man have many different flows in the people. You see me, I say. You see me? Go on.
No chasing a war, I better you try. Got the bar by your flask. Chase it and go and sip it. Me no buy shot because me want keep it and recall. When last we keep a shot for one.
My thoughts on the video so far, it's different. Me like what I go on, no cap. Me ask you your thoughts on the video. What do you think about it? It just drop while ago, maybe not fun enough to do it yet. You know me fast them way them. Me not ramp. We not wait for people. We don't play with people. Reaction boss over here, so them know about we. But my thoughts on the video are very different. You see me I say. And the first video after the year, me not like, me say one girl that, like, you know, and I really get it, but like, intensely I get some edit a film video. When me react to song called Name, the one I see that girl I want to get head to. You see me I say, I want to go on. Is that trend today? Because so much more video go have girl I give man head night. But go on!
Easy now, man shoot people now.
Yeah!
Easy now.
Yeah!
Man shoot people for fun.
Easy and them love show people for fun. But tell me you beat up dog. No man, a long time we not see you dog. But a long time me not see you dog. Watch ya. Watch ya. Me not like dog. You beat up dog. I think that like you have 10 pitney dog. Go on.
Easy now, feel them a pre-win now. My bird are the eagle now.
Yeah.
To kill them it easy now.
Easy. All you, how would this brother say with gun palm plate? Should I keep on your shirt before the video start? I know them something there, brother. You can't do them thing there. That'll be a girl watch the video. And girl don't like them thing there, brother. Keep on your shirt next time, brother. You do me I say? Yeah, but me really pre-man, so that different. You do me I say, big up Terry Dan. Go on!
You coulda rub up with her till you shine. Till I got did not care where you were dealing Cup of full up a eye, you decide, which is why we put her in on the media.
Why you smell the gun? But the dog say coulda rub up with the island till you shine. You still like dead. The isle can't save you. Them man will be stronger than fear one, basically. Let them make you know. Go on!
Badness and no cinema. Tall rifle the fuck up a ceiling, yeah. Pull up with that time, pussy you feel rich, pull it in.
Oh my god, dog. Just love off the video, dog. But just love off the video a while ago, dog. Like, right now, are the baddest video in the world. This is the thumbnail. Yo, me say this is the thumbnail. Yeah. Love off that video. LOV with me and E back at that. Go on!
Face make him head back. See the picture. Gonna hear me gonna sing, what's the feedback? I tell them so take them 3 pints, no need.
Look how she shake it up. You don't know me talk with the woman already. She jiggle. People don't know me love woman body, you know. And we quote from the famous Vibes Cartel words. Me love boom boom. Pussy until me dead. Nothing else can, sir. A word, boss!
3 shots. When me pint this pan boy, me no see him back. If me pint it in a face, me no see it back. When the 16 cut, 20 wins.
The dog son him pint this pan boy, we not see him back. And the voice, tell him the dog, amount of flow him give you another song, you know, dog. Like, we're not ready for this. We miss a video with the dog, but you come back very grimy for it. It's really a visualizer this, brother. You have a green screen back at this. So no one name green screen. Like when you see Tommy in the background and I see me in the background again at 3 different times, I do me as a pre. Look how I see him jumping.
20 flat string drum, 70 man face shot. Hold it and me lean back, and we call no 3 stop.
Yeah.
The wadded over them, surprised Tammy's back.
Me surprised for read because we never expect a visualize for this. So fast. But the dog got him beard up on him all. Yo, we not pre-man the dog, but the dog all get thick. You do me and say, the dog put on weight, dog. Dog. I want to go on. You can live some life and forward but to take over the music, dog. And that go on. But go on, we not talk about that.
Easy now.
Hey.
Shoot people now. Easy now. Easy now.
Oh, Lord. Oh. When the madness start. Oh, Lord. Alright, that look good. We can't do them something. No, that's why we don't like. And that's why we don't like skip video. No. And that's why we don't like skip video. No, we can't do them something. There. Go on now.
Baby, war of the season now.
Yeah.
Feel them a pre-win now.
Bullet, the girl them a exchange. But clean. And my video that one. I'm telling you something. In love with that video. You think I'm joking? Looking at me, you think me a lie? Go on.
My bird are the eagle now. Feel them it easy now. Easy now.
She make it look easy. She have a whole heap of body back car. But that's not that for the whole day. When me done with that, she ready. Little girl, me like you. Me love you. If you watch a video right now, you don't like the video, please make sure you leave a like on the video, dog. You see me? I say, you can't stay and watch a video and not like your video, dog. Like the video, just some fire emotion in the comment section. You see me? I say, if you laugh at one time. Let me know, so the other part there. You see me? I say, timestamp it and things. If you can click on the timestamp and go in on the video. You see me? I say, yeah, dog, big up on yourself. So I support me every day, see you, because I'm supposed to be a video over here. So go on!
And shoot people, you know. Easy, now.
And that I call green screen. You see them rapid, I jump up with the screen. So if you don't know what is green screen, you see me? A lot of people just watch and enjoy videos, so I make you know a little thing. But see them girls are going bad. I love suck off gun. I love clean gun. Alright. You can live with that. Can live with that. Me can live with that. I don't go and clean gun here. Alright, it's easy, you know. So it's a push gun on our two so. Well, why should I want like one of my ex-girlfriend them so dog? If I'm lying, I'm dying in the dog. Me not lie to no door, so me not dying. Should like one of my ex them for real, no cap. But go I'm gonna take some you go water here and calm down myself. A minute. For money, me there so I make video, me have full of vibes. Go on! Keep on over so too long, yeah. The video done. Me now gonna keep on over so too long. The video done. Big up on yourself. It's been a boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. This is my. Well, I do a video before, so I'm thinking I gonna post one here and post the next one tomorrow. You know what I mean? So big up on yourself. Tyrekevlogs signing out. Peace.